Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable ads, how you can stop ads in Oppo mobile phone, Oppo Android mobile phone. And if you have another Android phone, another brand, you can do it. But especially if you had Oppo phone, you can try to disable ads by go to the settings and try to find the connection and sharing. Here you can find the private DNS, designated private DNS by tap it. By default, private DNS is off or the auto. The default DNS will be automatically encrypted to enhance network security. But now you can enable designated private DNS. So here, private DNS is a mechanism used for encrypted transfer. Once connected, it helps to enhance network security, but it might also lead to the network latency and connection failure. If you select designated private DNS, please pay attention to your network connection. Now you can tap on modify. Now you can type dns.adguard.com. So here, this is the free one. You can find another designated private DNS on the internet, but you need to pay it. Try to search for the free one, like dns.adguard.com, in order to prevent ads to popping up. Maybe you access untrusted web, or you download untrusted untrusted sources. So you need to prevent the ads by enable designated private DNS, dns.adguard.com. Feel free to try to enable to modify your private DNS. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.